Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sell and buy items for the Modular Street Festival in Heartopia. So you are going to go to Azure here. She will be in front of Dorothy's store, and to sell stuff, you can go to festival related and then sell items. I only have one so far, but I will obviously get more items here, and these are the items that I have yet to unlock. To purchase stuff from the store, you can press festival related again. Go to festival store, and then here are the items you can purchase. Here are items you are able to purchase with the festival token, but we also have the guild exclusive one, which you need the special tokens. But don't worry, you will still be able to get them, but if you want more than one, you will need to purchase it from the guild exclusive section, which you need special tokens. I have a separate video on how you can get the special tokens. Also, you're able to access the Modular Streets shop via the balloon button. So click that and you can go to the festival store. But if you want to sell your items, you do have to go straight to Azure. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!